Hi, my next one for the 5 new technologies. It's a really fun web app that the kids really enjoy called Kahoot. If you're not familiar with Kahoot, well, I hope to make you a little bit more familiar with it. This was actually introduced to me by a fellow teacher in my building, and I like to use it whenever I can. Easy to do. You sign up. It's free. And no, don't save. And it's just a lot of fun. They have all sorts of really cool things that go on. What it is a really fun way to engage your students with kind of like quizzing things. I have created one. If I can remember how to get there. My Kahoots. It's for reading literature, and my students really enjoy it. It goes over elements of reading that we have gone over, and it's really simple. You have your game options, enable answer streak bonuses, name generators. You kind of let them, go through, and is really fun. You can do team mode, or you can do classic, which is one-on-one, and they have the players you join in. You can get it on all sorts of devices, since we don't have others coming in, but they put in this PIN number and their names will pop up here, and then when everybody's in, you push start. And since I don't have any kids, what I'm going to do is actually go in and kind of show you, like, I have questions here. What is protagonist? And these are the options I give them, and they have to choose on one screen. It chooses red, blue, yellow, or green, and they choose which one's correct. And they do this, and they find it really fun, because for them it's challenging. They're challenging their peers to see what they know. It keeps score for them. I only have a couple of, and it tells you everything that I've played so far. I played a lot more last year than I did have this year, obviously. But there's all sorts of things that other people make. There's ones that Britannica have made, and those are pretty fun. Climate challenges, math games, transfer of energy. There's science on here. There's bullying prevention. There's all sorts of really great things. And to find out, whether or not they're worth the time, I mean, it's easy. You click on one, and it gives you the questions, and you can read. Sometimes they'll have over here tell you it's for public schools. Sometimes they'll tell you what grades they're for. I'm not sure this would be for 5th grade, to be 5th or 6th grade. But there's all sorts of different little things in there that you can do. And it's really fun. It's geared towards the students. It's a great way to review before tests, and to kind of really get them, because some kids, they just like to challenge each other and want to be better than the other person. But it is what it is, and I really enjoy it. There's different genres and whatnot, and the kids really enjoy it. I enjoy it, and I hope you find this interesting enough that you can start playing it into your classroom. Thank you.